Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss a very important pattern that I can see all the time whenever stock is in the downtrend, and that at some point from downtrend it reverses to uptrend. So we will see through this algorithm when we should enter into the stock from down and it converts to the uptrend. So we will see here, for example, friends, if we have today we will see this kind of pattern, for example. So we will see this, how this algorithm can help us to find this pattern here when it get reverse here, for example here. So you will see this. We are only interested in the uptrend from down to up, from down to up, from down to up. It happen most of the time we can predict, but sometime it can also happen like this. If stock is in the downtrend, for example, here, 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 and then suddenly it come. It can also happen like this. But still, this algorithm can help us a lot. So how it will help, we will see today, friends. We will take this example. Friends, if you don't know about my algorithm, you are welcome to see. So we have this trend direction, it's either up or down. This is the closing price of stock on daily basis, and this is the predicted value of algorithm. And as I discussed today, we are only interested in this pattern here when the stock is in the downtrend. So friends, you can see on 1st of October, stock went into the downtrend from here. So this is the predicted value of stock, and this is the original closing price, and this is the closing price predicted by the model. And this is very important. This is the difference between the predicted value and closing price. And you can see here, whenever the difference is in the minus, closing price is in this steep downtrend like here. It is going down, down, down. When the stock close price is close to regression line, for example, this is yellow is the regression line and this is the closing price. It will get closer at some point here to closing price will get closer to regression line. This is the regression line, and then this is the area we are interested here. So, and right now you can see here in this example, closing price is 10,425 and model price is 10,377 and difference is plus. So this is the signal that stock is going to reverse here, and this is the area, reverse area. This is the area. It will little bit consolidate here also. In some cases, it will not move like this sharply, but it will move like this. So this area and this, it can be 1 to 2 weeks from here to here. So for example, this is the closing price and this is the regression line. So regression line will go down and the closing price will go up. So this is the area. For example, we are only looking at here. You can see whenever this difference will going to plus, so this means that stock is going in the up direction. But you can see here it still shows in downtrend because you can see the regression line is going down. So this stock regression, can you see this value is going lower and lower. The current closing price is above the previous, and current closing price, this original is above, so this is more bullish. It is very bullish because the regression line is in uptrend, for example here, and closing price from here when it crosses both are in the uptrend. So this is both. So it is above the previous value, above the previous value, above the previous value. This is also above the previous value. This is the regression. So you can see here regression line is going down, closing price is moving up and down. But from here in up, so it is 100% sure that these prices are in the uptrend. When both closing price and regression price in is above the previous closing, and here you can see we have positive, and when it will go down, so at some point closing price will reverse from here and regression line will crosses again in the downtrend. Again from the down to up, closing price will crosses regression, and from up to down it will again crosses regression line, and it is here. You can see close to 320 and regression is down, closing price is up, but here you can see close 10,000 and regression is above. So it is like this, friends. Closing price above and regression closing price here it was above, but next day it is around 10,000 for example, came little bit down, and the regression it is here, because regression will chase this price, it will chase closing price, so it will move here, and now the closing price is down, it crossed here in the downtrend for example, see in the minus, and then so this is also signal of weak signal. You can see it's weak, but it's still in the up. From here it went up on some news, and then they both joined in the uptrend here. We can apply this strategy to some other, to this latest signal from the same stock here. Example, we can see it here. You can see on January 23, some today we have down, 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 and here you can see it is in the plus suddenly. So this is the signal that stock is in the position to reverse from down to up, because we have difference is in positive. Closing price 10,385 and regression. So both value are very close. So right now we are here. We are at that point. Maybe it came down, go along with the regression, or maybe it go down and then regression chases this closing price. It can also happen, but this is the signal we can see from past patterns here. So we can say on 23rd of January we are going in the uptrend of Mars. So this is very interesting strategy, and you can see as I discussed here, regression line is the blue line predicted. It came down, it consolidated, and closing price is going above. So as I said, closing price crossed here, but at some point it will move around the regression in some cases. But here it consolidated, closing price above, and then here it's very big. So friends, this is what we have for today. I hope you like this video and this pattern in my model that I usually use buying and selling for short term. Thank you very much friends for today.